So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to your favorite travel influencer vlogger channel. As always, partnered up with yet another villa. So we'll be taking booty pics out by the pool and selling our soul in exchange for accommodation. This beautiful 5-bedroom. Nope, paid for this. Yeah, ladies and gents, managed to get a pretty good deal on this thing. As you can imagine, with everything that's going on in the world, Airbnbs are desperate. So yeah, actually bagged this place for cheaper than the last one. So before any of you guys are like, I thought you were being frugal this year. I am. Last year I would just be like, 20K a month for that. All right, no worries. This year I'm bartering down. I'm being frugal. I'm flying economy. I'm a reformed person this year. Until I get back to London, then I don't know. Anyways, one of the funny comments about the last place that we were staying at and kind of the tour of it was that you were like, this is literally Iman just checking out his place for the first time. This is literally us just checking out the place for the first time. We just dropped off our bags in one of the spare bedrooms. So when I say that I'm kind of checking out this place for the first time, I had a little run from the groundsman. He ran us through it, but yeah, let me show you. So here is the entrance of the villa. Got the double garage over there. So you come through. What I like about this place is it feels kind of like a tree house, like a really big tree house. And yeah, you got the little, are those koi fish? Yeah. Got the little koi fish over there. And yeah, it just, you know, the thing about this place, I mean, anyone will tell you, I mean, Pete will definitely tell you, I am so anal about just it's the little details to me. Like, I am total...
Strap notification.
Uber Eats, even better. Food's on the way. Anyways, yeah, when it comes to my style, when it comes to anything aesthetic, including interior design, I love interior design. I am so particular. I'm so picky. So I think this place is like a proper compound. 5 bedrooms, but it's a mix of like, there's a lot of stuff that's very modern, and then a mix of like, this hasn't been touched since the 90s, and for me that honestly kills me. Like carpets, can't do them. I despise carpet. Anyone who has carpets in their home is either my mom's age or is just, I don't know, insane. I just don't trust people with carpets. Anyways, this place has carpets in different areas.
And in your bedroom.
And in my bedroom. So yeah, I'll show you around. Look, I'm not saying I'm not happy, but I'm not saying that I'm happy either. One thing about this place is it's got too many dining areas and too many kind of like desk spaces. So, oh yeah, so you can come down there. So you come down there, but there's also windy stairs down from the garage as well. And we
have no clue what's through that door.
I mean, there's quite a few sort of doors in this place that, once again, I don't know where they lead to. I don't know how to describe it. Anyways, so yeah, that's a dining area out there. Obviously, you know, with all the parties that we're gonna be throwing, you know, it's nice to have tons of space to entertain guests and whatnot. More fish? No more fish. So this is kind of like the first thing you see when you come in. This is where most of the bedrooms are. Obviously, you know, we'll start with the office because the office is pretty sweet. So there's an entire separate wing specifically for the office, because whoever made this place obviously knows the value of deep work. Boom.
Cool.
All right, so this is the office. Toilet there, so once again, I never have to actually see Pete's ugly face. When you just need to sit
and read.
Sit and read or meditate. No, 2020 still shit. Need to bring in a chair for here, but yeah, all in all, pretty sweet. Thing that like triggered me about this is there's no air conditioning. I like it Antarctic levels. Like, you know, whenever P and I are in the same room, like I'm just wearing a t-shirt, he's got a hoodie on with the hood up, a blanket.
Sometimes I'll leave the room.
Sweatpants. Sometimes he refuses to be in the room. Like okay, obviously for those of you guys who are American, I apologize, I don't know in Fahrenheit, but like Celsius wise, like I like it like 16 degrees. to 18 degrees, like when I work and when I sleep. When I sleep, probably closer to 16 degrees. The colder, the better for me. So yeah, obviously the fact that this place doesn't have a air conditioning, for me, I was just like, that's the dumbest thing. Like, why would you not have air conditioning in the study? But then again, now that I think about it, like, there's a lot of really nice breeze in. Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, being in Camp Spey, like we're a little bit higher than we were last time, or a little bit, or quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
Yeah, quite a lot. So obviously it's more windy, a little colder, etc., etc. But yeah, really sweet office. Yeah, as you can see, it's just like everything's just like a little like kind of treehouse kind of vibe, which is dope. So yeah, entirely separate wing just for my office, which is dope. Here is the big entertaining room with a massive TV that we will never use because of the 17 different TVs we've had in the 3 different places that we've been to prior to this. Food's here. I apologize, we had a little food intermission, but yeah, this is a chilling area. As I said, we got a place to eat, chill out there. We can chill in here. So this is one of the kind of studies. Yeah, so cool little spot to work. Owl, cool painting. Kitchen. So this is what I mean. Like there's so many ways that I would just like, if I was to do it differently, like even just the color of the wood and the oak, like if they just removed it, like if they just removed that brown oak color and just made it like white, this place would literally look like it was made like last year. That's just my personal style, like clean. But yeah, let me show you guys this thing. So currently there's an alcohol ban in South Africa. There's been one for 2.5 months now, 2.5 months. No alcohol, no cigarettes, fine, I don't smoke, but who doesn't like to have a drink every once in a while? Now, P and I haven't had a drink for just over 2 months. And when we saw this, I was like, oh, yes. Only to note that it's closed, it's locked. So I'm gonna message the owner and ask basically however much she paid for each bottle of wine. I'll pay double or triple, I don't really care at this point. I just want a glass of red. So yeah, I'm gonna message her and ask. Little dining area table here. You come down here. Once again, a little lounge. These are all just, I mean, this is kind of one of those filler rooms that like when am I ever realistically gonna sit down here and just chill? Yeah, so little living room area. Once again, another area. Just sit, meditate, whatever. Can lay out there and tan. Once again, another outside dining area because quite clearly there aren't enough. I'll show you guys upstairs and I'll bring you guys back round because this place really is a bit of a compound. So up here, I think there are 4 bedrooms. So why? Why? This place would look so much nicer without carpet. Once again, cool little entertaining area. This is gonna be Pete's room. Big shower, bathtub, desk so you can work, chill, little outside area. Very beautiful view. Boom. Yeah, once again, just kind of standard bedroom. Bathroom for the bedroom where we just threw a bunch of shit in here, so don't mind this. But once again, just another spare bedroom. If we were to ever entertain guests, which we wouldn't. I'll show you guys the master bedroom now. So this is my room. Interesting artwork. I don't know how I feel about that, but hey ho. Cool bed, desk, bathtub. When am I gonna use it? Never really. Very cool view right before you come in and you bathe yourself. Other thing. There's a lot of stuff when it comes to home, like features and stuff that I'm just like, this is the dumbest thing ever. I'm not gonna lie, if any of you guys have ever had showers where you can sit, it's so nice. Have you ever tried it? So nice, so nice. Honestly. There's also, some people have the ones that act as like dual shower sauna things. This isn't one of those, but still, it's just nice to, if you ever get tired mid-cleansing yourself, you can just sit. View from out here is very beautiful. Once again, I can come out here in the morning, just sit. Meditate, breathe in that prana, and look over at my desk where I'm about to go and work from. So yeah, I'm very happy with this place, although I've still only showed you half, so let's get done with it. The thing about the place right before this was, yes, it wasn't as big, yes, it wasn't as it wasn't as big, the layout wasn't as nice, but there's nothing in that house that I would have done differently myself from a interior architecture perspective. Whereas with this, I'd fucking scrap the entire thing, to be honest. Like, there's some parts which are beautiful, some parts which aren't. I know I'm very, very picky, guys. I know. For me, it has nothing to do with price with any of this stuff. It's always just down to a matter of like, I have a certain eye and I have a certain style that I like. But look, I mean, really, I can't complain. This place is beautiful, and as I said, I managed to get a very, very sweet deal on it. So, all right, so I'll show you. We'll wrap around and I'll show you guys the rest of the property. Pete and I definitely will lose each other multiple times.
Yeah, we're never gonna see each other
again.
again.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't really think we're gonna see each other. Like, we're gonna be at different wings of the house working, and then our bedrooms are like at opposite ends of upstairs. And yeah, so kitchen, second kitchen, I don't know. And I'll show you guys the back side of the property. Yeah, you can also come in through these sides, so that's something else. If you come down here, this is the 5th bedroom slash, to be honest, it's kind of like its own apartment. The laundry room.
This game again.
Boom, you were right, Pete. All right, so this is the 5th bedroom slash apartment. So I mean, yeah, it really is, to be honest, kind of an apartment. Got a, is that a kitchen?
What's that?
I don't know. So realistically, we're never gonna come in here. If all of these were open, this place would be a much nicer environment. But yeah, desk, bed, shower, mirror. If someone else wanted to live here, they could. But yeah, just P and I. So you want to invite a quarantine over? That is the apartment, 5th bedroom. Then you kind of wrap around here. What P and I were literally just having. Okay, another dining area. So yeah, guys, when I say that I really, to be honest, haven't seen this place, I mean that. And what I love about this place is there's like this beautiful little like trail, and you know, you can. There's this beautiful trail. So yeah, lots of greenery in this place. Hit workouts out here. Grass, so I can do some earthing and some grounding. So yeah, you got this little trail on the side here. We can do some workouts out there. Another trail out there. And I think, if I haven't missed any bedrooms, which I potentially have, to be honest, I don't really know, guys. I think that's the entire tour. I apologize if I seem a little sarcastic in this video. Yeah, I mean, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful property. For me, to be honest, I'm at a point in life where as long as I can do my work, as long as I have a bedroom, it's cold in there, and the internet is good, I couldn't care less where I am, to be honest. One thing that I do really like about this place is that P and I were literally just sat there. Oh, I don't think I've showed you guys that. Have I showed them that?
No.
Okay, yeah,
All the pizza oven.
So another outside dining area, because why not? And then if, you know, I mean, in all fairness, now that I think about it, there is a purpose for it. We sat down there and we're like, all right, we're not feeling it. So then we moved over here. I think, is that the pizza oven?
That's a pizza oven, that's just like a fire.
P and I were literally sat there, and let me just stop talking. All you hear is the chirping of the birds. All you hear is the pond over there, like the water. And it's just so nice. Like, it's very, I think, especially for the fact that, you know, it's locked down and whatnot, I think this place is very peaceful. It's very zen-like. And yeah, all in all, very, very happy that I managed to get a very, very good deal for this place, because I'm a responsible business owner. And yeah, all in all, as long as I have a good place to work, that's my number one source of joy and inspiration in this life. But obviously I can't complain that now we have a little more space to move around, meditate. And also, to be honest, we kind of have separate wings of the house. So I don't really need to see Pete. Pete doesn't need to see me. When I'm on sales calls for the agency, he doesn't need to hide upstairs. When he's on sales calls for the agency, I don't need to hide upstairs. And yeah, I feel as though like the last place, it was awesome. It was also a 5-bedroom, but it said the way that it was structured more vertically, there wasn't as much space to kind of separate. As I said, when he had sales calls for the agency, I had sales calls for the agency, etc., etc. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this 5-bedroom Camps Bay villa tour thing from your favorite travel influencer, Iman Gadzhi. I don't have anything else.
We're ending it there.
Yeah.
Merch in the description.
Just to end off this video, if you are an e-commerce or an info product business owner and you'd like to work with my agency, for the last quarter of 2019 and last quarter of 2020, we really weren't taking on clients because yeah, you guys know us, we like to stay small, we like to stay boutique. We just brought on another performance mark. We've been training him for the past 2-3 weeks or so, I think, at the time that this video goes out. So yeah, go ahead and click on the link in the bio. It'll take you to the case study funnel. Just opt in, find out a little bit about us, and then you can book in a 15-minute demo call with Danny, my chief marketing officer. If that all goes well and he thinks that you could be a good fit for the agency, then we'll have another follow-up call where I'll be present, so will Danny, and obviously yourself. So yeah, we'd love to work with you at the agency. Click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.
Boom.
Working with someone else on a couple of V's. What do you really think of the nigga that's making your beats? I've done things for him.